In number 16, when I factor my denominator, this is x plus 1 times x plus 3, and this is x plus 3 times x minus 1. So this one doesn't have an x minus 1, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 1. This one doesn't have an x plus 1, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x plus 1. So this is 3x plus 5 times x minus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 3 plus negative x plus 5 times x plus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. This is going to give me, if I distribute as I go, 3x squared minus 3x plus 5x minus 5 minus x squared minus x plus 5x plus 5 all over x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. So I have 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. I have negative 3x plus 5x is 2x minus x is x plus 5x is 6x. And I have negative 5 plus 5, which cancels itself out, over x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. Now, if I factor a 2x out of the top, then I have 2x times x plus 3 over x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. And I have a common factor that cancels. So this is 2x over x minus 1 times x plus 1. In number 17, I have x plus 1, x minus 1. Factor the negative, so this is negative x minus 1, and this is x minus 1 already. So I already have an x plus 1, x minus 1. This negative makes this subtraction, and I'm already subtracting my last term. So I need an x plus 1 in the top and the bottom of my second term, and I need an x plus 1 in the top and the bottom of my third term. So this becomes 4x over x plus 1, x minus 1, minus 3x times x plus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1, minus 4 times x plus 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. So again, you're going to subtract across your numerators, and I'm going to distribute as I go. So this is 4x minus 3x squared minus 3x minus 4x minus 4 all over x plus 1, x minus 1. So I have positive 4x and negative 4x, so it cancels and goes away. And I have negative 3x squared minus 3x minus 4 over x plus 1, x minus 1. And you typically don't leave a negative coefficient, so you have negative times 3x squared plus 3x plus 4 over x plus 1, x minus 1. In number 18, we're going to simplify this down. So I have x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h minus x squared minus 3x. So I'm going to distribute this x plus h means x plus h times x plus h. So this becomes x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h minus x squared plus 3x all over h. So I have positive x squared, negative x squared. I have negative 3x, positive 3x. So now I have 2xh plus h squared minus 3h all over h. So if I factor an h out of the top, then I have h times 2x plus h minus 3 over h. My h cancels, and this factors all the way down into 2x plus h minus 3. This is actually what's called the difference quotient, and we'll talk more about it in the next unit. In 19 and 20, we're combining the concept of multiplying and dividing rational expressions with adding and subtracting rational expressions. So on the top, remember you want a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of my first term by x, and the top and the bottom of my second term by 2. So this becomes x over 2x plus 6 over 2x divided by, on the bottom, this is x plus 3 over 4. So I have x plus 6 over 2x times, remember you flip and multiply, 4 over x plus 3. So you cross cancel. 4 over 2 becomes 2 over 1. And I have 2 times x plus 6 over x times x plus 3. In number 20, similar concept. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of my first term on top by 9. And I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of my second term on top by x. So this is 9 times x plus 2 over 9x minus x 9x times x plus 2 over 9x divided by x minus 9. Now remember, this x minus 9 is over 1. So this becomes 9x plus 18 minus x squared minus 2x over 9x times, when I flip and multiply, this is 1 over x minus 9. So simplifying my numerator a little bit more, this is going to be negative x squared plus 7x plus 18 over 9x times x minus 9. If I factor out a negative across the top, then this is negative x squared minus 7x minus 18 over 9x times x minus 9. Well, the numerator factors, and this is negative times x minus 9 times x plus 2 over 9x times x minus 9. I have a common factor, x minus 9, and this factors into negative x minus 2, x plus 2 over 9x.